Oakland Parks. Oakland is home to several parks and green spaces that offer opportunities for outdoor recreation, relaxation, and community gatherings. Here are a few notable parks in Oakland. 1. Joaquin Miller Park is a beautiful natural oasis with miles of hiking and biking trails, picnic areas, and scenic views of the San Francisco Bay Area. The park is named after the poet and conservationist Joaquin Miller and features redwood groves, meadows, and streams. 2. Redwood Regional Park. Oakland Hills Redwood Regional Park is known for its majestic coastal redwoods, scenic trails, and diverse wildlife. The park offers hiking, horseback riding, and picnicking opportunities, as well as interpretive programs and guided nature walks. 3. Lake Temescal is a popular recreational destination featuring a sandy beach, swimming areas, and grassy picnic areas. Also has hiking trails, a children's play area, and paddle boat rentals. It's a great spot for families and outdoor enthusiasts to enjoy a day by the water. Park located in the heart of Oakland, offering playgrounds, sports fields, picnic areas, and a recreation center. The park hosts various events and activities throughout the year, including festivals, concerts, and youth programs. 5. Is a scenic urban lake surrounded by a 3-4-mile pathway, gardens, and recreation. The lake is a popular destination for walking, jogging, birdwatching, and boating, and it hosts numerous events and cultural celebrations. 6. Park located in the Dimond district of Oakland. It features hiking trails, a creek, picnic area, playground. The park is a favorite spot for families, dog walkers, and nature lovers looking to escape hustle and bustle. These are just a few examples of the many parks and green spaces you can explore in Oakland. Whether you're seeking outdoor adventure, relaxation, or community engagement, Oakland's parks offer something for everyone to enjoy. Find more vlogs at https://www.supats.com. Ready to transform your travel dreams with a sustainable digital income? Launch your digital business in a day with MRR courses. https://com/webinar. Scale effortlessly with MRR Success. Collaborations, comprehensive resources. https://success collaboration. God bless you.